coach, but I don't know what Panello Bread she talking about. She said meet me at Panello Bread, but no address. Like, which one? In Deerfield. So I'm like, bro, I don't know. If she don't text me back then, I text her at like 9. See if she was gonna text me back, but she didn't yesterday. So I was like, okay, so that's weird. Yeah, but like, I don't know, bro. Honestly, I don't know. And she don't text me by like when I get there. I'm probably gonna just go to work. Cause I do gotta go to work today, so at the end of the day, you can't miss out on the paycheck that somebody just basically don't want to, like, dang, I should have got over. Wait, I'm gonna be able to go anyway because it's a red light. Let's go. But yeah, I don't know. Right now we in Pompano Beach. Bro, which way you going, bro? Seems like he's about to crash into me. I'm like, where are you going? Oh my god, bro. I don't even know. I don't think this dude know what he's doing on a bike. Get away from you, bro. You gonna make me crash into you. Holy shit. Like, I'm trying to freaking go across and you get right back in the middle when I'm trying to go by, like, get away from you. I'm gonna go through here. I gotta get another controller because my controller on here is connected. Bro, everything wrong with this scooter, bro, at this point. Everything wrong with this one, bro. I gotta get this shit fixed. But I'm about to get a new one. I just gotta get a better job. After I put this one in the shop, this one going, basically, I'm gonna get a new one. I have my bike, but that bike, it's alright, it's cool too. But I like riding scooters sometimes, I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, I definitely have to like get another scooter. I'm gonna get another one. I found this scooter that I like. It go like, I think 30 or 40. It's like 800. I'm gonna probably like get that one. Get that one. And pretty much, yeah. That thing be gone, bro. I swear. scooter shop? Bro, I hope that's a scooter shop. Coming. Oh. Bro, I need some glasses. Holy shit. I thought that was a scooter shop. Cause it looked like it, bro. Dang, I feel dumb as hell, bro. I feel dumb. Only reason why I was about to be happy though, cause like we don't have a lot of scooter shops and they be far away, bro. Like that's your scooter shop. They be super far away too.